Welcome, welcome student. Welcome to the online lecture series of Sri Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj College of Engineering, Nepti. Myself, Professor Saum K. Mangesh. The topic of our today's lecture is 80387 NDP. So these are some contents that we will see throughout the lectures. That is 80387 NDP, 80387 registers, and data types that supports 80387 registers. First of all, what is 80387 NDP? It is nothing but a high performance numeric processing element that extends the 80387 architecture by adding significant numeric capabilities and direct support for floating point, extended integer, and BCD data type. So this means the 80387 NDP allows us, or 80386 microprocessor, for floating point operations and BCD data types operations. Also, the 80386 CPU with 80387 NPX easily supports powerful and accurate numeric application through its implementation of IEEE standard 754 for binary floating point arithmetic. Also, the 80387 provides floating point performance comparable to that of large mini-computers while offering compatibility with object code for 8087 as well as 80287, the previous microprocessors or previous coprocessors of 80387. The 80387 numeric processor extension, that is NPX, is compatible with its predecessors, the earlier Intel 8087 NPX and 80287 NPX. As the 80386 runs 8086 programs, so designated to use the 8087 and 80287 should run unchanged on 80387 coprocessor. With 8087 NPX, while designed for use of 8086 family systems, the 8086 was first microprocessor family to partition the processing unit, permits high performance numeric capabilities. The 8087 NPX, that is numeric processor extension, for this processor family implemented a complete numeric processing environment in compliance with early proposal for IEEE 754 floating point standard. To the programmer, the 80387 NPX appears as a set of additional registers, data types, and instructions, all of which complemented those of 80386. The 80387 NDP. So let's start with register stack and control bit points. In addition to the 8036 registers, 80387 NDP coprocessor also have some additional registers that consist of 8 individual addressable 80-bit numeric registers organized as a register stack, 3 16-bit registers that contain NPX status word, NPX control word, and NPX tag word. Also, two 48-bit registers containing pointers to the current instructions and operands. These registers are actually located in 80386 microprocessor. So this diagram shows the register stack for 80386 data registers. As it shows control register, status registers, and tag words, instruction pointer and data pointers, and tag field. Let's see one by one. So first, register stack. It includes the register set as npx status word, npx control word, and npx tag word. So first, let's start with npx status word. It is nothing but a 16-bit status word as shown in this diagram, which reflects the overall state of 80387. This status word may be stored into memory using FSTSW or FNSTSW instructions and can be transferred into 80386AX registers with FSTSW, that is stored instruction, with AX or FNSTSW AX instructions, allowing the NPX status to be inspected by CPU. The B bit, that is 15-bit, is included for 8087 coprocessor compatibility only. It reflects the content of ES bit, that is bit 7 of status word, not the status of BZ output of 80387. The four NPX condition code bits, that is C3, that is C3, C2, C1, and C0. These bits are similar to the flags in CPU. The 80387 update these bits to reflect the outcome of arithmetic operation. In effect of these instructions on the condition code bits is summarized. These condition code bits are used principally for conditional branching. The FSTSWX instruction stores the NPX status word directly into CPU's X registers to allow this condition code to be inspected efficiently by 80386 code. The 80386 SAHF instruction, that is stored AH into flag instruction, can copy these C3 to C0 directly to the 80386 flag bits to simplify conditional branching. Bits 12 to 15 of status word point to the 80387 registers, that is current top of stack, that is top. The significance of stack top has been described in prior section of the register stack. Also, the six exception flags bits 0 to 5 of status word, that is bit 7 in exception summary status, that is ES bit. ES is set if any unmasked exception bits are set and it is cleared otherwise. If this bit is set, the error signal is generated. The bits 0 to 5 indicate whether NPX has detected one of six possible exception conditions since these status bits were last cleared or reset. They are sticky bits and can only be cleared by instruction FINIT. Bit 6 is the stack fault SF bit. This bit is distinguishes invalid operation due to stack overflow or underflow from other kind of invalid operation. When SF bit is set, bit 9, that is C1 bit, distinguishes between stack overflow, that is C1 is equal to 1, and underflow, that is C1 is equal to 0. The next is NPX control bit. The 80387 register stack the figure shows NPX control word status. The NPX provides the programmer with several processing options which are selected by loading a word from memory into the control word. The low order byte of this control word configures the 80387 exception masking. Bits 0 to 5 of control word contain individual masks for each of 6 exception conditions recognized by 80387 coprocessor. The high order byte of the control word configures the 80387 processing option including precision control and rounding control. The precision control bits, that is bits 8 and 9, can be used to set the 80387 internal operating precision at less than the default precision, that is 64 bit significant. These control bits can be used to provide compatibility with earlier generation arithmetic processors that having less precision than 80387 coprocessor. The precision control bits affect the result of only the following 5 arithmetic instructions, that is add, subtract, multiplication, division and sqrt, that is square root. No other operations are affected by PC. Then next is NPX tag word. The tag word indicate the content of each register in the register stack. The tag word is used by NPX itself to distinguish between empty and non-empty register locations. Programmers of exception handlers may use this tag information to check the content of numeric register without performing complex decoding of actual data in the register. The tag value from the tag word correspond to the physical registers 0 to 7. Programmers must use current top-up stack to point toward in the NPX status word to associate these tag values with the relative stack registers, that is ST0 through ST7. The exact value of tags are generated during execution of the FSD env and fsave instructions according to the actual content of non-empty stacks location. During execution of other instructions, the 80387 coprocessor update itself to the TW only that indicates whether a stack location is empty or whether it is a non-empty. So next topic is data types. As all other programming languages supports data type, the 80387 also supports, that is 80387 coprocessor also supports some data types. The binary integers, decimal integers, and real numbers are some data types that are supported by 80387 coprocessor to help 80386 or its predecessors to run the programs that includes binary integers, decimal integers, as well as real numbers. So this helps the microprocessor to run the programs that includes these binary, decimal, as well as real numbers or floating point operation to be performed. So let's see one by one. So the table shows the data format, range, precision values, and how the numbers or how the that data types or the numbers that contains the data types or the numbers that is having the data types are stored in the memory locations in this format. The most significant bits and highest addressed byte. So first word integer, the range is 10 raised to 4. The precision value is 16 bits and it is stored in 2's complement format into the memory location. Then second one is a short integer. It is 10 raised to 3. Precision value is 32 bytes, and it is also stored 0 to 31 in 2's complement format. Then long integer 10 raised to 9, 64 bits, 0 to 63 bits in 2's complement format. Then pack BCD, that is binary coded decimal. The precision value is 18 digits and it is stored with the help of the sign bit. Then bits have no significance. That X means bits have no significance. 80386 ignores when loading, zeros when stored, and it is stored in magnitudes D0 to D17 format. Then single precision. It is precision value is 24 bits and it is stored just like sign bit, bias exponent and significant. It is also 0 to 31, that is 32 bit. Then double precision. The precision value is 53 bits, that is 0 to 52 significance, then bias component and 1 bit sign value, that is sign bit. Then extended precision. The precision value is 64 bits and it is stored with the help of 0 to 80 bits, 0 to 63 bits for significant, 64 to 79 bit for bias exponent, and 79 bits is a sign bit. So first is a binary integer. The 80387 recognizes 7 memory data types for memory base values divided into 3 classes, as just we have seen, that are the binary integers, packed decimal integers and binary reals. A later section In this latter sections we have seen the detail of binary integers, decimal integers and real numbers. So let's begin with binary integer. The three binary integer formats are identical except for length, which is the range that can be accommodated in each format. The leftmost bit is interpreted as a number sign, that is 0 for positive and 1 is for negative. The negative numbers are represented in standard 2's complement notation. Also, the binary integers are the only 80387 format to use 2's complement. The quantity 0 is represented with the positive sign. All bits are 0 with all bits are 0 to represent the positive sign. The 80387 word integer format is identical to the 16-bit sign integer data type of 80387 microprocessor. The 80387 coprocessor's short integer format is identical to the 32-bit sign integer data type of the 80386 microprocessor. Means some formats of 80387 coprocessor is identical with the 80386 microprocessor. Then next is a decimal integer. Decimal integers are short in packed decimal notation with two decimal digits packed in each byte except the leftmost byte, which carries the sign bit, that is also 0 for positive and 1 for negative. In decimal integers, negative numbers are not stored in 2's complement form and are distinguished from positive number only by the sign bit. So here in decimal number, the sign bit is used to distinguish the positive number from negative number. The most significant digits of number is the leftmost digit, and all digits must be in the range of 0 to 9. Also, the decimal integer format exists in memory only when used by 80387 coprocessor. It is automatically converted to the 80-bit extended real format. All decimal integers are exactly representable in the extended real format. Then next is last data type is real numbers. The 80387 represents the real number in the form of -1 raised to s into 2 raised to e into b0, b1, b2, b3 and so on, where s is equal to 0 or 1, e is equal to any integer between e mean and e max, that both e mean and e max both are inclusive in e. Bi is equal to 0 or 1 and p is any number of bits of precision. This table shows the Emacs emean exponent bias format with in which p bits of precision for single, double, and extended real numbers format. So this will end our unit 6 first part, that is 80387 numeric processors extension, that is 80387 NDP. So students, please subscribe our college YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.